it's actually really inspiring me. It's making me feel like there's things that I can actually build that I didn't think I could. I think having a boot camp like this really kind of just like immerses you into it right away.
I was not expecting this, and I am just beautifully overwhelmed.
There's a very clear mission of where Horizon Worlds is heading towards, and I think there's a lot of potential in this platform.
The inspiration, knowledge, and mentorship, I think I will carry it forward in my career and all the people that I interact with.
One of the best parts of this is the people. Everyone's got their own story and their own unique perspective on things, and that's what I find fascinating.
We're learning and we're getting to actually create something. It's exciting because you get to publish something.
I feel like I belong here. It's a place where we can learn from each other and we can grow together. I just feel so inspired